Meaning of Frankenfood.
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 Frankenfood. Frankenfood is a term used to describe genetically modified foods that have been altered in a way that could potentially have negative health effects on humans or the environment. This term was coined by opponents of genetically modified foods who believe that they are being created like Frankenstein's monster. These opponents argue that the long-term effects of consuming these foods are unknown and that more research needs to be done before they are widely accepted as safe for consumption. The use of the term Frankenfood is controversial and is often debated between those who support genetically modified foods and those who oppose them.